that we're looking at is the dollar Swiss. And if we look at the euro dollar, I apologize. And looking at the euro dollar chart, you can see I just changed the scale. We have the two layers of, or actually several layers of structure over here on the left hand side. We have one which is 125.90, which is a level historical before, which is actually the low of August the 27th 2010, and we have the other one which is the 125.58. And I showed you those two structures on the chart of the euro, and right now we closed below the two structure points. We closed the week at 125.48. And this is the chart, the daily chart for the euro. There is no reason for us at this stage of the game to even think about buying the euro. We don't have any buy signals, so we're going to look for a buy signal from the intraday chart if we do have a buy signal. If you look at the intraday, this is your chart for the euro, and you can see we are in a major bear market. There is your one structure point, which is the 125.97 actually. And the other one right here, which is the 125.58. And this is just the Friday close, so it doesn't particularly matter. So the way we are going to be trading this, we want to take it to the short side. We want to be selling it. So we are going to sell it below the daily low. So this is our selling point. Below the 125.31, which is the daily low. If I do sell it at 125.30, I have a structure point of 125.58. That will be, the highs here is 125.72, so my stop is going to be right there, 125.80. So that's going to be my stop at 125.80, and that is, and my structure long point is going to be the 125.97. On the short side, if I'm going to take it short below the 125.25, the next structure point is the 123.35. So we are going to buy it above 125.80. If we do, we have a structural point above that, which is the 125.97. And my stop is going to be, if I buy it here at 80, my stop is going to be below the market side, which is the 125.55. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 125.31. And if I do, I have a structure short point at 123.35. And if I do go short over here, I'm going to be using that's a little bit, I have to use the 125.58 as my structure for my stop. My stop is going to be here. So my stop is going to be the 125.58. So the 125.55 is actually the same stop for both the long and the short. So my long and short stops is one and the same. So I'm going to buy above 125.80. If I do, I have a structure point above that, which is the 125.97. And if I do buy it, then my stop is 125.55. I'm risking about 35 pips on that trade. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 125.30. If I do, I have a structure point about 200 pips away to the downside at 123.35, and my stop remains the same at 125.55. Okay, that is the euro dollar, and this is, as you can see it on your radar screen. Let me save that and save the recording.